here. Dates have been announced. You're looking at the Aam Aadmi Party going full throttle in its push for a pro-Sanatan image ahead of the Delhi polls. Now, just days after they announced 18,000 rupee as an honorarium for the Hindu priest, the Aam Aadmi Party today has inducted about 100 members from the BJP's Mandir Paroksh. Now, these joinees include Dharam Gurus. Addressing a press conference earlier at the event, the Aam Aadmi Party's convener, Arvind Kejriwal, has also announced the formation of a new Sanatan Seva Samiti. Now, he cites the joining as a blessing for his party. He says with all these priests and members joining the Aam Aadmi Party, it is all set to win the Delhi election.
अब ये जो सनातन धर्म के लिए इतना बड़ा काम किया जा रहा है, सनातन धर्म के लिए जो लोग 24 घंटे पुजारी वर्ग, संत वर्ग जो 24 घंटे काम करता रहता है, उन लोगों के लिए सेवा करने का मौका हमें दिया और हमें इस बारे में निमित्त बनाया। इसके लिए मैं अपने आप को और आम आदमी पार्टी को बड़ा सौभाग्यशाली समझता हूं कि भगवान ने हम लोगों को चुना। आम आदमी पार्टी जो कहती है वो करती है।
Let's get you the first response from the BJP after you have the Aam Aadmi putting out this new wing. We'll put out that tweet, in fact, on our screens, where the BJP again has called out the Aam Aadmi Party and there being Sanatani Hindus. Now, what they say is that चुनावी हिंदू आम आदमी पार्टी की असलियत देखिए, जो 10 साल से इमामों को सैलरी बांटता रहा, जो खुद और उनकी नानी प्रभु श्री राम का मंदिर बनने से खुश नहीं थे. Then they go on to say जिसने मंदिर और गुरुद्वारों के बाहर शराब के ठेके खोले. This is all, remember, a pun on the Aam Aadmi Party. They go on to say जिसकी पूरी राजनीति हिंदू और सनातन विरोधी रही, उसे अब चुनाव आते ही पुजारियों और ग्रंथियों की याद आई. Then they've put out these images again, calling out the hypocrisy of the Aam Aadmi Party and why this tilt towards Sanatan on the eve of elections. Let's listen into a response also from the BJP.
आम आदमी पार्टी का कहना है कि सारे संत पुजारी महात्मा उनके साथ है. अच्छा जी, और चुनाव से पहले ही याद आया. अभी तो मॉडल कोड ऑफ कॉन्डक्ट लागू हो गया है. इससे पहले अगर आपकी इच्छा मंशा थी तो 5 या 10 वर्षों में पुजारी और ग्रंथी को कभी आपने 1 रुपया सम्मान राशि का नहीं दिया और वक्फ और इमामों पर लुटाते रहे करोड़ों रुपए 10 साल से. अच्छा, चलिए ये बता दीजिए कि पंजाब में पुजारी और ग्रंथियों को क्यों नहीं दे देते? वहां तो सरकार है, वहां कोई मॉडल कोड ऑफ कॉन्डक्ट भी नहीं है.
Let's also get in our colleague Sabyasachi, who's tracking that story. He joins us live. Sabyasachi, what does the Aam Aadmi Party really have to say? You know, this is a question that people have asked the Aam Aadmi Party for the longest time. What is your ideology? What is your principle? I mean, do you even have one? And why is it that on the eve of elections, you're looking at such a big attempt by the Aam Aadmi Party to look like pro-Hindu?
Well, that's right. See, that is the very point to which, whether if you talk about the BJP, the Congress party has been continuously attacking the Aam Aadmi Party over. Now, whether it is the BJP or the Congress, they have been questioning that the Aam Aadmi Party does not have ideology like the Congress or the BJP. In fact, they are very much opportunistic. Because of the polls that is going to take place here in the national capital, they are trying to appease the Hindu voters, and this time around they are trying to show themselves as a flag bearer of Sanatan. See, this is the reason why Arvind Kejriwal today had holded a huge conference where we had seen that several Dharm Gurus were present out there. In fact, Mr. Arvind Kejriwal stated that the entire priest from the entire national capital are in support of the Aam Aadmi Party and they are giving their blessing. Now, this particular angle is being questioned by the BJP. The BJP calls Mr. Arvind Kejriwal as opportunistic, stating that because of the polls that is happening in the national capital, he's trying to portray himself as a pro-Hindu.
And when you say this, you know, Sabyasachi, I'm just looking at the timeline for Arvind Kejriwal. Yesterday it was Akhilesh Yadav. Today it's the Trinamool. Now Arvind Kejriwal has said that the TMC has announced support to the Aam Aadmi Party in Delhi. I'm personally grateful, he says, to Mamta Didi. Thank you, Didi. You've always supported us and blessed us in our good and bad times. So, you know, there is this parallel war also going on in the India Alliance to obviously isolate the Congress. The Congress has obviously called Farziwal, Kejriwal. They've called called him Deshtrohi and a lot of other things. What does the Congress have to say about this leaning by the Aam Aadmi Party towards a particular religion right on the eve of election? Is this being secular?
Well, see, the Congress party has been attacking Mr. Arvind Kejriwal. In fact, the Congress party states that Mr. Arvind Kejriwal and the Aam Aadmi Party does not have a particular ideology. Now, because of the difference that could be seen within the India bloc, that several leaders like Mamata Banerjee or Akhilesh Yadav going towards Arvind Kejriwal and not extending their support to the Congress party. Now, the time when Ajay Maken had called Mr. Arvind Kejriwal as an anti-national Farziwar, he also promised that he is going to hold a press conference and tell the reason why he calls Arvind Kejriwal anti-national, and that particular press conference has been postponed for an indefinite time. So clearly there has the Congress party high command, as per the Congress party high command, it has directed the party workers and different leaders out here in the national capital to go against and fight against Aam Aadmi Party all out war, but to not use the anti-national word because it can make the other alliance partners uncomfortable. So you can see in both ways whether Congress trying to make damage control or whether the Congress party is clearly pressurized by the other regional parties.
You know, Sabyasachi, what you say has a point. Let me also once again play out what Arvind Kejriwal has said before we get in more political responses to why is Arvind Kejriwal really doing this? Is he looking and he's sounding nervous ahead of these Delhi elections? Let's listen in.
अब ये जो सनातन धर्म के लिए इतना बड़ा काम किया जा रहा है, सनातन धर्म के लिए जो लोग 24 घंटे पुजारी वर्ग, संत वर्ग जो 24 घंटे काम करता रहता है, उन लोगों के लिए सेवा करने का मौका हमें दिया और हमें इस बारे में निमित्त बनाया। इसके लिए मैं अपने आप को और आम आदमी पार्टी को बड़ा सौभाग्यशाली समझता हूं कि भगवान ने हम लोगों को चुना। आम आदमी पार्टी जो कहती है वो करती है।
So Arvind Kejriwal there saying शहजाद की आम आदमी पार्टी जो कहती है वो करती है और उनको खुशी है कि भगवान ने आम आदमी पार्टी को चुना ताकि वो ग्रंथियों को और पुजारियों को 18,000 रुपए दे पाए। So is the BJP feeling left out? What do you think it's happening?
दीप्ति जी, भगवान ने 10 साल पहले नहीं चुना, पहले तो केवल अल्लाह ने चुना और इमामों को देते रहे। अब भगवान जब 2025 का चुनाव है तब भगवान ने उनको चुना। अच्छा, पंजाब में कहे भगवान नहीं चुन रहे, वहां तो सरकार है, मॉडल कोड ऑफ कॉन्डक्ट वहां लागू करके पुजारी और ग्रंथियों को दे दो ना। और अरविंद जी केवल 1800, 2100 जो भी 1500 रुपए क्यों, आप तो ये अनाउंस कीजिए कि पुजारी ग्रंथी को जब से इमामों को दिया है तब से उनका मिलाकर पूरा बकाया देंगे। अच्छा, ये कौन बोल रहा है? जिन लोगों ने सनातन का लगातार अपमान किया। गोपाल इटालिया ने बोला मंदिर नहीं जाना है, शोषण का घर है। इनके दूसरे नेता मनीष सिसोदिया ने बोला राम मंदिर नहीं बनना चाहिए। इन्होंने बोला, नानी ने बोला बाबरी गिरने पर बहुत दुख हुआ, राम मंदिर पर नहीं जाएंगे। जिन लोगों ने लगातार सनातन का अपमान किया, इनके अलायंस पार्टनर समाजवादी पार्टी जो कल समर्थन दिए हैं, शिवलिंग का मजाक उड़ाते हैं, महाकुंभ का मजाक उड़ाते हैं, टीएमसी जिन्होंने आज समर्थन दिया है, उज्जैन महाकाल लोक का मजाक उड़ाते हैं, इनके दूसरे डीएमके सनातन समाप्त की बात करते हैं। ये लोग सनातन के बारे में बोल रहे हैं। वाह भाई वाह, मतलब 100 चूहे खाकर बिल्ली हज को चली। 5 साल से इमामों की जेब भर रहे थे और अब जाकर पुजारी और ग्रंथियों को वही घोषणा कर रहे जो पंजाब में महिलाओं को की। पंजाब को महिलाओं दिया क्या 1000 रुपए?
Okay, Shehzad, good questions. I'm requesting you to please hold the phone line. Akashdeep Muni, who's a political analyst, but he does lean towards the AAP, is also joining us here. Akashdeep, what is this, about Arvind Kejriwal? Why is he looking so nervous and so worked out already? If there is development, there is vikas, aapne revdiya baati hai. So, I mean, why do you want to look like a Chunavi Hindu?
See, Deepti, the main question today that the people of Delhi are asking that how Bharatiya Janata Party has become Chunavi Muslims. That today they're asking for the money that to be given to Maulvis. I have a question that why till now they have government in 20 states. Why they have not given money to the pujaris and granthis in that 20 states? For what they're waiting for?
Steve, Aam Aadmi Party is the same party, and I remember very, very clearly Arvind Kejriwal saying it's the BJP that mixes politics and religion. You are guilty of doing much the same today.
No. How? If a particular community is deprived of something and the community is given something, why BJP has a problem?
So why did you let that community be deprived for the last 10 years? Is a question people are asking. When Arvind Kejriwal was the chief minister, why did he not do this?
No, I am asking that. My point is that whenever there is a community which is in need, the government will take its instance. It's a government process. Why actually BJP has a problem with it? If you have a problem, why don't you give pujaris and granthis in 20 states? Today you are asking for retrospective money to be given to pujaris and granthis. Why have not you given to these people in your 20 states?
So Akashdeep, is it only the Hindu vote that matters? Because you're obviously scared that the minority vote is something that the Congress will be able to wean away. Arvind Kejriwal could be dented, and that is what you fear. Will you accept this? That it's all about the Hindu votes now?
All. Why today when BJP is asking for Muslim clerics to get money, so are they eyeing for Muslim votes? What they eyeing for? These type of Chunavi Muslimans should understand that everything is not done for religion. Something is done for the communities also. When Arvind Kejriwal has not done for only pujaris and granthis, he is giving money to the women also. He is giving money to children also. He is giving good education, good health care. He is giving good health care to the elderly also. आज की डेट में एक इंश्योरेंस कंपनी जो है 60 साल के बाद इंश्योरेंस नहीं करती है, ठीक है, और भारतीय जनता पार्टी वो उनको कुछ नहीं देते. बट टेल मी वन थिंग that why they are not giving to some of why they are not providing the same amenities to the people in their own states. They have 20 states with them.
Okay.
Provide something health.
Akashdeep, only questions.
Money.
You know, the BJP files questions at the AAP files questions at the BJP. There are no answers, but the voters will decide who really deserves to rule Delhi now. I'm thanking you and Shehzad also for joining us and for speaking to us. And staying with the Aam Aadmi Party and Delhi, there is another quick breaking update. In fact, just a moment earlier, we had told you of how Arvind Kejriwal has taken to the social media, and he now declares that after the SP, it is Didi now who is backing Arvind Kejriwal. And in fact, he's thanked her and he has said that he's grateful for Mamata Banerjee, who's always stood by Arvind Kejriwal in good and in bad times. So is this another way of, telling everyone, Sabyasachi, that the Congress is isolated? We all know that things haven't been too well between at least Mamata Banerjee and the Congress for the longest time, between the SP and the Congress. And here is Arvind Kejriwal working bit by bit, because this is him replying to the Congress and telling them that look where you are and where we stand today.
Well, that's right. See, the Aam Aadmi Party already has given a warning to the Congress Party regarding the anti-national remark that was made by Ajay Maken. In fact, the Aam Aadmi Party also warned the Congress Party that if no action would be taken, then it would approach the other partners of the India bloc. Now we had seen that the Congress, the Congress and the Trinamool equation, how the Trinamool Congress for the entire session of the Parliament did not participated in the Congress protest, and the Aam Aadmi Party's relation with the Congress Party is also not turning out to be good. There are several clashes that has been taken. Samajwadi Party Chief Akhilesh Yadav already given his support to the Aam Aadmi Party. Now these regional parties somewhere feel that the Congress Party should stop playing the big brother's role, and it should be given to other parties like the regional parties present out there. So clearly a lot of anti-faction against the Congress is brewing, because more and more support is coming in for the other political parties apart from the Congress, whether it is a Trinamool Congress during the Parliament straight away telling the Congress that they are not going to stand on the agenda of Congress. The Samajwadi Party was not happy with the fact that Mr. Rahul Gandhi decided to go to Sambal unilaterally without speaking to the Samajwadi Party, and also the Aam Aadmi Party is not happy with the kind of personal attack that the Congress is making against him.
And what happens from here on? Is there absolutely any response, Sabyasachi, that we do have from the Congress? Allow me a moment. I'm told we also have a response from the BJP on this tweet by Arvind Kejriwal. We play that out, Sabyasachi, and then I just come back to you.
India Alliance. No mission, only confusion, division, obsession and apna ambition. कल समाजवादी पार्टी ने कहा कि हम आम आदमी पार्टी को समर्थन देते हैं। आम आदमी पार्टी ने समाजवादी पार्टी का समर्थन भी ले लिया। जिन लोगों ने शिवलिंग का, राम भक्तों का, राम मंदिर का अपमान किया, राम भक्तों पर गोलियां चलाई है, फिर भी क्लेम करते हैं कि हम सबसे बड़े सनातनी। आज टीएमसी जो इंडिया अलायंस की साथी है, उन्होंने कहा कि हम आम आदमी पार्टी को समर्थन करते हैं। उन्होंने वहां पर भी समर्थन ले लिया। जिन लोगों ने उज्जैन महाकाल लोक में हो रही पूजा का मजाक उड़ाया, पर सवाल ये भी बनता है कि कांग्रेस पार्टी और आम आदमी पार्टी दोनों इंडिया अलायंस में है। समाजवादी पार्टी और तृणमूल कांग्रेस दोनों ही कांग्रेस के प्रति, राहुल गांधी के प्रति अविश्वास प्रकट कर रहे हैं और आम आदमी पार्टी के साथ जुड़ रहे हैं। इसका मतलब कि बहुत जल्द क्या कांग्रेस की विदाई होने वाली इंडिया अलायंस से? ये कैसा रिश्ता है? इंडिया अलायंस में ये सब एक साथ दिल्ली में एक दूसरे के खिलाफ, कभी इनका जो है फ्रेंडशिप विद बेनिफिट चलता है, कभी इनका 3 तलाक हो जाता है। तो ये दिखाता है कि इनके अंदर कोई मिशन विशन नहीं है। तृणमूल कांग्रेस अगर दिल्ली में आम आदमी पार्टी के साथ है, मतलब कि वो कांग्रेस पार्टी के खिलाफ है, तो इंडिया अलायंस में कैसे साथ में है?
All right, so more trouble there brewing in for the Congress in Delhi. We'll continue to track that story. Much more happening when we come back on the